Hi. I recently moved from California to Philadelphia after being away for 25 years, and I was really surprised by the changes I saw in the temperature. As I thought about it, I wondered if it had, how it related to the changes that were happening in other parts of the world, the floods, the earthquakes, the devastation, and I also wondered if it had anything to do with the December 21st, 2012 date that ends the Mayan calendar. I know some people believe that it means the end of the world, but what if it just means the end of the world as we know it today? Perhaps the Earth is going through a rebirthing process and the labor pains have begun. As the actual birth gets closer, the labor pains will intensify. This means that we can look forward to the birth being swift compared to the labor pains leading up to it, and while the afterbirth may be messy, relative calm will follow. Scientists tell us that the Earth has rebirthed many times, and so it's reasonable that it could be headed for another one. But just as some parts of the body are more traumatized in the birthing process, some parts of the Earth will be more traumatized. But just as we risk having a difficult birth if we mistreat the body, we risk having a difficult birth if we mistreat the Earth. I mean, after all, if we poison it along the way, there is more for the Earth to heal, and the more there is to heal, the more the ways the Earth must find to do it. There isn't much we can do about the labor pains if the Earth is programmed to rebirth over and over, but we can certainly control how we deal with it and how we view it. We can see them as, these changes as a glorious method by which the Earth is, energy is ensuring the perpetuation of the species, or we can see it as a terrifying experience when nothing is ever the same. But the Earth is our support system, and it has to rejuvenate in order to continue, and this isn't a bad thing, this is a wonderful thing. If we cooperate, we can make it easier for both the Earth and ourselves. If this idea of rebirthing is helpful to you at all in terms of, coping with what is happening and the changes in different parts of our world, please share it so that we can work together to make it easier for others. Thanks for listening.